currently, so NMME, there are currently 2 phases. The first phase, NMME Phase 1, is an experimental system initiated as a climate testbed research project, which was funded by CPO MAPP program in 2011. And the NMME Phase 2 is an improved system, which was funded also as a CTB research project in 2012 and 2013. So it was funded by MAPP program, but with additional financial support from NSF, DOE, and NASA. And the one important thing I want to mention here is all the participating models in NMME system strictly followed the same forecast protocol, which I don't want to talk about the detail here. So I assume some presenters were talking their science talks. So I like to mention in the NMME system there are Canadian models. So to be more exact, so the NMME, the first N should stand for North America instead of national. So just give you a quick look at what are the models in the current NMME system. So you can tell, so there's NSEP CFS version 2, NOAA GFDL model, and 2 Canadian models, and 1 old version of NCAR CCSM 3.0, and 1 NASA model. So starting from August 2011, the NMME project has produced this Phase 1 system, which is currently it's being producing real-time forecasts, but in an experimental mode, and since August 2011. And so each model or each modeling center will generate their forecast, a hindcast and a forecast, and in their own center, and send their data to CPC. So actually, Emily Becker will talk about the detailed operational process and the verification in her talk. So I'm going very quickly going through that. And the CPC, after the CPC got their input, CPC will perform model consolidation, develop a forecast product, and do verification. And okay, and all the one unique feature of NMME is the NMME data is open to the public. As I mentioned earlier, NMME model follows strict protocol, and also all the real-time forecast data and hindcast data are available to the research and the user community. So there are 3 groups of data. The real-time forecast data can be available from CPC website, and the Phase 1 data, the Phase 1 data currently include a monthly mean, A variables of monthly mean data, PT, SST, I listed here, which are available from II website. And the Phase 2 data from the NMME Phase 2 project will be available next July, which will include more comprehensive data, including complete variables of monthly mean of a 30-year hindcast from 1992 to 2000 to the present, and also daily reforecast data of some selected variables, and also the Phase 2 data. So on top of the current funded project, we may get some additional funding from Sandy Supplemental Fund, so which will also help to bring more data to enhance the current Phase 2 data. So one important and unique perspective of NMME is NMME is integrate research and operation. It's a unique platform. So I point here, the red is the research. It's like a schematic diagram, research and operation. So NMME actually, so in terms of research to operation transition, we just bring the models developed by research community to use in operational by operation. And meanwhile, the operational data is open to the community, and also the operational the NMME operational setting provide a good environment for model diagnosis and evaluation. And also, you will see from today's presentation, so those the real-time prediction and the data drives the climate predictability and the prediction research. And so far, so the system is it's running in real time, but in an experimental mode, and so lot of progress in NMME. And but the one thing we just need to point out is that the NMME project is supported as a research project, which will end next July. So that's the deadline we need to pay attention. So to continue for this NMME system to be continue. So we have been a lot so within NOAA, and also a lot of interagency some discussions within with other agencies have been taking place. So a white paper have been developed talking about how to operationalize NMME, because the current NMME is an experimental system. It's supported by a research program. So based on this white paper, recently we also developed a document called Vision and a 5-Year Plan for NMME, which was developed by CTB and some key members from NMME team and the Climate Program Office, Weather Survey, and the ESPC, which stands for Earth System Prediction Capability. The purpose of this document is to initiate a dialogue among interested agencies to see how the current NMME seasonal forecast system. So currently NMME is a seasonal forecast system, like we do forecast every month. So how this the experimental seasonal forecast system can be involved to contribute to the future, the ISI intra-seasonal to, oh my God, to intra-season to interannual the research and operational capability, how NMME can contribute to the mission and to be supported by other agencies, and also how to manage NMME. So this is a document with the current, the outline of this document. So I'm going to quickly go through this. So basically, this document will talk about why we need to sustain the NMME, why this NMME needs to be enhanced. So basically, you need to sustain the NMME to support the operation, and also to drive, to continue to provide this integrated research and operational platform to drive and support research, and to enhance the system. So because the current seasonal forecast system cannot meet the operational and the user requirement. For example, the current system is a seasonal forecast system. So the users and operation group need a sub-seasonal forecast capability, and also we need to meet the requirement from users how to predict high impact weather and climate extremes. And recently there are a lot of requests on the climate information in the Arctic region. And the vision for the long term is to, this is just talk about, so the long-term vision is to continue to have, so instead of just to transition this system to operation, then leave it like that, is to continue to improve the system with the integration of research and operation. And also the difference between this NMME system with some other operation systems. So this system has some modeling center from a non-operational center. So we talk about we want to continue this operation system in a distributed way. So I guess I'm out of time, right? 2 minutes. Okay. So the advantage of a distributed system is that we greatly leverage the effort from other modeling centers, which so they are computer time and human power to maintain and improve their model and to generate reforecast. And so I don't want to talk about. So we already consider we already consider how a distributed system. So means NCEP doesn't import all the models in-house. Instead, let all the modeling centers do their generate their forecasts on their own. So how can this kind of systems meet the operational requirements? So I'm not going to talk about detail, but those are already we are already consider that. And also the near-term objective is so after July 2014, the first most important thing is to bring this experimental system to full operation starting from August 2014, and we need to improve the system. So I list a few tasks about the improvement, and also to continue to support the research and the user community about providing the model, and also to integrate, to continue to do the research. And also here is the important thing, the key resource requirement. So so we need to, the operational models are supported by operational centers. The key here is to how to support the non-operational modeling centers for them to continue to provide their results to operations, and also we need to have a sustained funding to do the research to improve the system. And the good news is there are some new funding opportunity from Sandy Supplemental, from our potential from Arctic program, and also the CTB call. It's not specific, but there's some analysis opportunity here. And I just want to, okay, see here's the gym is getting closer. So, just pay attention to so we made a great progress, but the funding will end in July 2014. So the urgent need is to have a plan and resources to sustain and enhance the NMME. That's it.
Thanks, Jin. Okay, do we have a quick question for Jin? And I'll also welcome all of our participants who are online. Do you have any? Okay, great. Thanks very much.